now, Jimmy Keene!
Blackbird is the story of Jimmy Keene. He grew up a suburban kid athlete. He liked cars, he liked women.
He's a very smart guy, charming, good listener.
Well, what's your ambition?
I think he thought he could walk on water.
It is the judgment of the court the defendant be committed to 120 months.
He's a very good kid who did some bad things along the way.
Dad, tell me there's a way out of this.
Not a quick one.
He's offered an opportunity to redeem himself.
We would like you to transfer to another prison and befriend someone to elicit a confession.
You want me to check into hell and befriend the demon, not for all money in the world.
How about freedom?
Larry's world is a true darkness, and that's the world that Jimmy enters.
In my dreams, I kill women, you know? Sure.
Larry Hall was a puzzle. It's impossible to understand his mentality.
Why are you looking at me like that? Like you know me.
Larry gets in his head, and Jimmy's horrified by it.
Jimmy was in something that was bigger than him, bigger than anything, and if he screws this up, this guy will be out into the world again.
If he walks, he'll kill. Again and again.
Jimmy has no protections left. He has no armor left. He has nothing.
You think you could be in danger? You are in danger. Something's gonna happen.